Hi, to add emergency contact on your iPhone 16e, firstly find Health app which looks like that. Open it and make sure you're in this Summary tab. Then click on your profile icon and after that go in Medical ID. So right now you need to select Get Started. Here I'm gonna click Cancel. And now simply find Emergency Contacts tab in this list and choose to add an emergency contact by clicking on plus. So I'm gonna find my friend Maddie, select it, choose its phone number, and now we can pick relationship with this person. So in this list, I'm gonna select friend. But as you can see, there are many different options, even caretaker, teacher, and so on. So I'm gonna pick friend. And if needed, you can add another emergency contact. For example, I'm gonna choose Tina, select its phone number, and set it as my sister. So now if you wanna save those changes, just tap done. And now if you will trigger emergency SOS, then those people will be notified as well that you are in danger. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.